Okay. All right, we're in the first step creating our composite, the SOA composite. So what we want to do now is create an approval policy that uses that approval process. Okay, so we're going to create an approval policy. Oh, let's see, what should we call this? Okay, AI beneficiary manager approval. Okay, now there's different types of approvals that go through here. When a request is made, there's going to be three different types. There's a template approval for the request template. I haven't really got into that too much yet, so let's just say that's what it is. The next approval level will happen at the request level. Normally that's where you would want your manager approval to take place. So if you want it to happen at the operational level, you can also make the request level an auto approval. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically run the manager approval at the request level. So okay. Okay, so there it is. Now see, when I was talking about deploying it, we were talking about the domain. So you see here they all start with default, and the AI beneficiary manager approval is of course in the list, and it's in the default domain. So we're going to pick that one. We're going to confirm. So whenever someone places a request, we're always going to do a manager approval, or the beneficiary's manager approval. Someone can create a request for someone else. The person that actually gets the end result is the beneficiary. I'm not sure in this case if it's really necessary to do a requester's approval. It's more important, I guess, in most cases that the person that's getting it has the approval. So let's just okay, do next. Oh yeah. Okay, so we want to make this a self-provision, self-request resource. That's what we're doing here. Okay, so anytime anyone makes a self-request for a resource, this approval policy will get run, and it will force the beneficiary manager's approval. Okay. Okay. See if it works this time. Okay, we're going to add a simple rule. We're going to say if the request type equals a self request resource, then run the approval rule. Okay, the approval rule will show up here. Okay, next. And it looks like we're all done, so let's finish that. Okay, policy has been applied. If we do a search here, we'll see the policy. You see the naming conventions here. We probably should have done that. Let's do that. So this is RL for a request level. Okay, because if you look at the rest of these here, you see they're using that operational level approval, request level approval, operational level, request level. So we're going to follow that same guideline in here and go with the request level. And so when you look at it, you know what it is. Okay. Got to pause for a sec. Okay. So what we're going to do is we have to actually make a request by someone that has a manager. So let's go look at the administration. Go look at the administration and see if any day now. Okay, there it is. Okay. So I'm looking, I added some direct reports to myself. I just want to get a user ID to log in as. Of course, it'll be the first login. So we'll go with AA 100628. AA 100628. Okay, and remember, we're still using that default password we did when we did the bulk load. So this is the first login. Hopefully it'll work. There we go. Okay, and we're in. Okay, we're going to get a self-request resource. I think through the magic of video, we have some resources. Yes, we do. That'll be another video on my resource template builder.